Hello, I am Mitali DBA and today I am demonstrating Project 1 of Database Administration Practicum, which tells us how to establish connection between client and server. For that, I am using Oracle SQL Developer and Oracle 11G. Oracle SQL Developer is a database development tool which allows users to perform database tasks, and Oracle 11G is our database management system. So to start with our assignment, we first log in into our server. I'll open my console as I'm already logged in into my server. On my server, I'll go to Start, Command Prompt. I'll open my command prompt. On the server, we are actually checking whether our database is functioning properly or not. So for that, we log in into our server, that is by using the command sql plus / as sysdba. Yes, we are getting a message that we are connected to the Oracle database 11G. That means our database is functioning properly. Now we'll go to our client machine where Oracle SQL Developer is installed. We create a new connection here by going on File, New Database Connection. On the connection name, I type Oracle CONN1. My username would be system. My password would be capital PASSWORD 123. Now I'll enter my localhost name, that is MDESH2 570 XSRV dot uisad.uis.edu. My SID is ORCL. Now I'll check whether I'm able to establish connection or not. For that, I'll click test. Yes, I'm able to establish connection. I'm getting a message as success. Now I'll connect to the database. Here is my new database, Oracle CONN1. Now in this database, I'll create table, insert data into that table and view the data which I've inserted into the table. So for creating a new table, I use the create command. Create table name which is customer, and I'm inserting data into it. The column names are customer ID and customer name. I'll run this query. I guess I already have a table name customer. So I'll create a new table. Might be student. Yes, table student has been created. Now I'll insert data into the student table using insert command. Insert into student values. Mitali is my student name. Yes, one row has been inserted. Now if I want to see whether my data has been inserted or not, I'll fire select query, which is select star from student. Yes, I can see that the data has been inserted into my table. Now I'll go to my server. On my server, I'll create a new user. So my new user is create user Mitali1 identified by Mitali123. Now here create user is used to create a new user into a database. Here Mitali1 is my username and Mitali123 is my password. So I'll create a user. You can see the user has been created. Now on creation of user, we have to grant some permissions to that user for the user to operate on the database. So for that, we grant permission grant connect to Mitali1. Now it gives permission to establish connection with the database. So the grant has been succeeded. Now I use another command, alter user Mitali1 quota unlimited on users. The user has been altered. Now quota is the amount of space which is allocated to the user. So this command suggests that unlimited space has been allocated to the user Mitali1. Now we grant the privilege to create table into the database. For that we use grant create table to Mitali1. The grant has been succeeded. So we have given all the permissions to the user. Now we can go to a client machine to create table, insert data into that table and select the data which has been inserted into that table. Now we again establish a new connection, database connection, new, okay, connection name, I'll give Oracle CONN2. My username would be the new user which I am created, that is Mitali1, and my password would be Mitali123. I'll give my localhost name, that is MDSH2 570X srv.uisad.edu. uis.edu. My SID is ORCL. Now I'll check whether I'm able to establish connection or not. I click test. I've got the message success. That means I'm able to connect to the database using the new user, that is Mitali1. Now I'll connect to the database. Yes, I've connected to the new database. Now I'll create table into this database using create table employee, and the column names are employee ID and employee name. I'll run the query. Table employee has been created. Now I'll insert data into my employee table. For that I fire the insert query, that is insert into employee values 1, Alex. I'll fire this query. One row has been inserted, and now I'll display my data which I've inserted into the table employee by using select query, that is select star from employee. Yes, my data has been inserted into the table employee. So that's all which I wanted to display. Thank you.